Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's query is write a SQL query to find all the product reviews containing the word excellent or amazing in the review text. However, you want to exclude the reviews that contain the word not immediately after excellent or amazing. Please note that the words may be in upper or lower case or combination of both. The query should return review ID, product ID, and review text for each review meeting the criteria. Display the output in ascending order of review ID. To write this query, we have a table product reviews. In the product reviews, you have review ID, product ID, review text. The output expected here in this query is we want review ID, product ID, review text. But we have to display those review text who has the words excellent or amazing. But it should not contain the words like not excellent, not amazing. Let's write the query. Select, we want review ID, product ID, review text from product reviews. Now, here the first condition is the review text should contain the word excellent or amazing. So let's write the filter where review text. So to search the word excellent or amazing, we are using a filter like percentage excellent. So excellent is searched in the review text or review text like amazing. So they also mentioned the words may be in upper, lower or combination both. To avoid the confusion, let's convert everything into lower. Lower of review text. Lower of review text. So the first condition is completed. And now the next condition is you have to exclude the reviews that contain the word not immediately before the excellent or amazing. So and we are converting into lower first, lower of review text, not like not excellent and lower of review text, not like not amazing. And next we want to sort the data in ascending order of review ID. Order by review ID ascending. Let's run the query. So we got review ID, product ID and review text who has the words like the product is excellent, the product is amazing. Let's solve another query. Write a SQL query to retrieve the total sales amount for each product category in the month of February 2022. Only include sales made on weekdays, Monday to Friday. Display the output in ascending order of total sales. To write this query, we have a table sales. Sales, we have sales ID, product ID, category, amount, order date. The output expected here is for each category, we have to find the total sales in the month of February in the year 2022. and we have to include those sales which have happened from on the weekdays, and we have to exclude the weekends. So let's write the query. Select category next total sales. To find total sales using function sum of amount. I am naming this as total sales from sales. Now the first condition is the sales we have to see in the February 2022. So I am extracting the year using the year function. Year of order date equals to 2022 and month of order date equals to 02. This is the first condition. And next we have to include the sales which have happened on weekdays only. So for that, to extract only the weekdays from the order date, I am using the function date part. Date part of weekday, comma, order date. This extracts the weekdays from the order date. But here when we give weekday, the Sunday means 1, Monday means 2 and Saturday means 7. So we want only from 2 to 6 and we have to exclude 1 and 7. So date part of weekday, order date between 2 and 6. Group by category, order by, total sales, ascending. Let's run the query. See, for each category, we got total sales in the month of February 22 and only which are happened in the weekdays. Let's solve another query. Write a SQL query to retrieve the total sales amount in each category, include all categories, and if no products were sold in a category, display as 0. Display the output in ascending order of total sales. To write this query, we have two tables, category table, sales table. In category table, we have category ID, category name. In sales table, we have sales ID, sale date, category ID, amount. The output expected here is for each category, you have to find the total sales amount and you have to include all the categories. And if there are no products were sold in a category, display as 0. Let's write the query. Select your category name. Next, we want total sales. For that, I am using a function sum of amount. I am naming this as total sales. Now, we want data from the two tables because we have the data in both the tables. Now, we are joining these two tables using the left join because in the question also they have mentioned you have to include all the categories. And if you use the inner join and if there are any categories that doesn't have any sales, then that category will be missed. So we are using the left join here. The left table will be the categories table and the right table will be the sales table. All the data from the left table will be in the output and the matching records from the right table will be in the output. From categories, I am naming this as C, left join, sales table, I am naming this as S. And the common column between these two tables is category ID. So we are joining these two tables on category ID. C dot category ID equals to S dot category ID. And the whole data we are grouping using the category name. So for now, let's run the query and see how the data will appear. See, we got all the category names and total sales. But if we see for the clothing category, the value of total sales is null because it doesn't have any sales. So according to question, if the no product was sold in a category, display as 0. To do that, we have a function called coalesce, which converts the null values into the 0. Coalesce of sum of amount and convert the null values into 0. And display the output in ascending order of total sales. Order by total sales ascending. Run the query. See, we got all the category names and their sales. For clothing, we got it as 0. Thank you.